Hi, it's Cindy from Striven. Today we're going to be reviewing the Candidate Career Portal. Some highlights we'll be covering are configuring the content within the portal, using the iframe code, previewing the candidate's process, and the dashboard. So let's get started on our journey inside Striven. Before allowing candidates access to the Candidate Career Portal, you may want to access the recruiting settings within Striven to make sure that the content and design match your company's brand. The next thing you should look for after setting up your recruiting settings is this iframe code. Once you have added the iframe code from the recruiting settings to your website, your available job postings online will look a bit like this. It'll show each location along with the different positions available to apply for at that particular location. Candidates will have the option of selecting this icon to view the location details within Google Maps. This will give them a good idea of about how far away your location is from where they live. To learn more about a particular job posting, you would select the job posting that you're interested in. This information is added in through the company settings. If I choose to apply, I would click Apply Now. This is the first screen that your candidate will see to set up for the career portal. Your candidate will enter their first name, last name, email address, phone number, choose a password, and confirm that password. The email that they choose will continue to be the email that they use to log in to the portal. Once they finish completing the information to sign up, they'll click Sign Up Now. Next, they'll be asked to select their time zone. The information from the Sign Up page carries over to your profile. The candidate will have an option to upload their picture. They can view more information about this position that they're applying for by clicking this link. There's also an option to message the recruiter from clicking this icon. The candidate will complete the profile information on this page. They have the option of entering an address to look up on Google or just entering the address manually. If they have lookup address selected and they enter in the address, when they click search, it will search Google Maps. Once complete, they'll select Next. They'll enter in any information regarding their education detail. This page will also let the candidate know if this step is required per your instruction in the recruiting settings. Once the candidate has completed the education information, they can click Save. They will then have the option to add education, which would add in another school that they may have attended, along with the option to edit the information they just entered, or delete the education information they just entered. When they are finished entering their education information, they can click Next. This brings us to work experience. The candidate will complete the work experience information and then click Save when they're finished. They'll have the option of adding additional experience, editing the information that they just entered, or deleting. When they're finished, they can click Next. This page is to add references. This particular page is not required since it is not indicated. We're going to click Next. This page allows the candidate to upload a resume, provide information about when they could start, their desired salary, how they heard about your company, if they've applied previously with your company, and if they've ever been convicted of a crime. The terms and conditions are also listed on the bottom with a checkbox for them to agree. Required fields are indicated by the orange asterisks. Once the candidate has finished completing the information, they can submit their application. They will be brought to a page that lists out the different recruiting steps that you had indicated within the company settings. The content on this page is also controllable within the company settings. The candidate can scroll down to view the steps. They can also choose to view their dashboard. The dashboard will show them available positions with your company and the different locations that they're available at. My Applications will show them the applications that they applied for, along with an option to message from the application or print out their application. They can also choose to apply for another job, which will show them the positions that are available with your company. They can also choose to edit their profile, change their password, log out, or message a recruiter straight from this screen. And that is an introduction to our candidate career portal. Any questions? Chat us up.